Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect QuickBooks classes and locations for tax reporting. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and log into your company file. Navigate to the Edit menu at the top of the screen. Select Preferences from the drop-down. In the Preferences window, look for Accounting on the left sidebar. Click on Accounting to open the related settings. Find the Company Preferences tab within the Accounting section. Check the box for Use Class Tracking. If you also want to track locations, check the box for Use Location Tracking. Next, go to the Lists menu. Select Class List to begin adding your classes. In the Class List window, click on the Class button. Choose New to create a new class. Enter a name for the class that reflects its purpose. Click OK to add the class to your list. Repeat this process for each class you need. Now, return to the Lists menu and select Location List. Click the Location button, then select New to add a new location. Give the location a clear name that describes it. Click OK to save the location. Repeat the process for any additional locations you want to create. To assign classes and locations to transactions, go to the relevant transaction screen, such as invoices or expenses. In the Transaction window, locate the Class drop-down menu. Select the appropriate class from the list. Next, find the Location drop-down menu. Choose the correct location for that transaction. Fill in the rest of the transaction details as needed. Save the transaction once everything is filled out. To run tax reports using class and location tracking, go to the Reports menu. Select Company and Financial, then choose the report you want to generate. Customize the report to include class or location filters. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.